All right, this is a rental property that my wife and I have out in the North Carolina market. These are just sped up pictures. It's a sped up video just to kind of give you an idea as to how it looked after the tenants have moved out. The carpet was so bad that we had to replace that. We pretty much replaced every single thing in this house. And right now you're going to go into a Zoom video at the 30-second mark, just kind of getting an update from our contractor, one of our contractors, as to the progress. Probably should be completely done here in the next day or two. So here we go. Properties that we've just had the renovations complete on. Renovations were initially started with Wolf House Renovations, which is my son's company. And then we added an additional contractor to try and get this wrapped up a little faster. Some of the work, we just started being a lot more work than we anticipated, and we really wanted to get this property on the market by the spring. So we should have T-Mobile logging in here shortly. And then also my wife, Kiki Hughes, who helps me run Wolf House Properties and Development, logging on here shortly. And I want to give them a call. Let's see, let's call team and let them know that we are on. And let's see how it looks. Still have to put blinds, whatnot. Hey, the link has been sent to your email. You want to go ahead and log on? All right, bye-bye.
Yes, sir.
Link has been sent to your email.
Okay.
Go ahead and log on. All right, so let's see where we are. I'm going to pause for a moment, and when I come back, everyone should be on.
I can see you.
We just started recording back. Boy, you look at you, got the silver and the black. Got the gray scully on them. Yeah, boy, you looking like a tan Santa Claus. Boy, you looking good. You looking good, Timo.
Yeah,
Trying to tell you, boy, this is our silver fox phase right now.
I'm telling you. I'm
This is
trying to
our
tell it.
silver fox phase, man. Shoot.
Where is hey, you turn the camera? Oh, I found it.
There you go.
Let's turn this camera around.
Yeah, buddy.
Y'all ain't come on here to look at my pretty behind.
Tell my wife to hurry up and log on. I don't know if she has a camera now. She should do it on her phone. Probably not. I don't know. All right. So we still have blinds to do in the microwave.
Yep. I already measured the blinds.
Okay.
I'm trying to turn this camera around.
You're doing it on your phone, right?
Yep.
It should be like a little an arrow going in one direction, an arrow going in the other, like in a circle to reverse it.
Yep. Yep. Maybe it's up. Maybe. Nope. 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 Oh, there it is. Found it.
Bling
See,
bling.
old people problems,
Okay.
man.
I
Old
know,
people
man.
problems, man. I'm telling you.
I know. I know. When you're
Uh,
young, it's
uh,
economics. When you're
is
old,
Kiki there as well?
she hadn't made it yet.
Oh, okay.
There's there. Oh, looks like she's coming on right now.
All right.
Wolf House Mama.
Mhm.
Hey, Wolf House Mama. You on mute, baby.
Oh, she
You,
on me.
yeah, she's on
See,
mute.
I'm glad I ain't the only one.
There you go. There you go. Oh, Wolf House Mama. Okay, got them shoulders out and everything. Yeah, there you go. You should have a go to you have to unmute yourself. There we go. Now you're unmuted. Kim.
Okay.
All right.
Yes.
You
Okay.
want to wipe your camera off, Boot?
Android.
Chalk it up to Android.
No, you gotta
Yeah.
wipe your camera off.
No, I have to go get it fixed. So that's
Oh,
yeah, chalk it up.
that's right. You hadn't gotten your phone repaired yet. All
Hmm.
right, so I'm gonna put this so we can actually see. How can I structure where I can see Timo more? There we go. Okay,
You got it?
we are.
You got it. All right. So
Yeah, so we should be
construction still
recording.
construction still on the way, right? All the
Okay,
floors are
dokie.
done. They got the shoe mold in. Still need to install the lights
Now I
and
thought we
all
were doing a
the
ceiling fan light in that room.
yeah, I don't know. They're out in the garage, the ceiling fans.
Yeah. Oh,
That's
we
a
haven't
that's
installed those yet.
nah, yeah, that's a my job. That's a me job.
Oh, that's you solo dolo
Yeah,
on that.
that's the light work. That's the light work. My guys are here to do the heavy work, the heavy
Oh,
lifting.
okay. I got
Yeah. All right. So your kitchen, how it came out.
you.
Oh wow.
Ooh.
Oh
Okay.
nice. Oh nice.
You put on new doors as well, Timo, right?
No, that's the old stuff.
Oh.
That is the shit that was here. We just made it look dirty.
And then
Oh
we added
nice.
those cabinets because the washer and dryer hookup was over there to your left, to the refrigerator's right, our left.
Yep.
Man, that looks good.
It does.
That looks
Very
so good.
nice.
I wish I could bring up the old raunchy pictures and see underneath that van the cabinet that's to the right, our left, if you look facing the refrigerator's right, the washer and dryer hookup was there. And we had
Mhm.
pretty sizable quote from the plumber to move that to the garage. But with Timo and
Wait,
Timo,
we're not gonna talk money. We're not gonna talk money. We can't tell nobody. Don't
we're
give
not gonna
nobody
tell
no
him how
secret.
much it costs, but with
We ain't
Timo
gonna
wanted to
tell the
come
secret.
in,
Just call Timo. That's all
call
we gotta
Timo. There you go. Call Timo.
say.
I knew he was gonna say
He had a much
that.
better idea as opposed to just replumbing it there to make sure it doesn't leak again in the house. He said, let's just move it. And we moved it to the garage. And that looks really nice. And I was thinking we
It
had to get rid of
does.
cabinets, but we wound up just adding how many bottom? I think two bottom base cabinets or just one bottom base cabinet and
Just
some
I think
upper
just
cabinets.
one.
It's two. There's two of
Oh,
them
it's
right
two.
there.
Two
Okay.
bottoms and then one or
Yeah.
two tops. Boy, that looks good.
It looks nice. Very
Yes.
nice.
Did the okay, so that's for the washer
Oh.
and dryer hookup out here now. Okay, cool. Hey, how about the ceiling? Were you able to get to that yet?
Nope. We started it. Like I said, that's my gig.
Okay,
That's not for
cool.
them. But I did start it, and I'll come back in here and I get all that stuff done up.
Are we putting
Mm.
did we have on there to put the garage door opener? I like those tops, by the way.
Say again.
Did we put on there to get a garage door opener? And we got to get Damon to paint that door, Kiki.
The garage door opener is still there.
And it works, I believe. It's just a matter of okay,
It
so
does
cool.
work. Yep,
Yep.
it works. It's good.
Yeah, that'll work. Do we have
Yeah.
clickers for that, Kiki?
No,
So we get some
no
clickers there,
I can
Damon
I
can
can get some
program it.
universal.
And then
I can get
Damon
some
paints
universal
that door
clickers
there
in.
too, Kiki.
Mm-hmm.
And did the
oh, I like
light
the two
switches and
tone.
the